Good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and I'm here back at my rig, back in the RV, back in my uniform. Happy to see you guys. We got a lot going on here, but today we're doing an unboxing. And just so you know, there's going to be several unboxings in our future because I got a lot of mail while I was gone. Let's get going. I've been very excited for this particular one. This is a company I've never ordered from before, and I saw a couple people online ordering, and I thought I'd give it a try. They had some really good prices. It must be kind of a surplus type thing. But anyway, the company is called Kirchner's Yarn Company, and this is what came in the box. This is the box that came, this box. Ginormous box. Not too heavy, but somewhat heavy. It came from Canada, and it was pretty beat up when it got here, and it was really only held together by a thread, but it was easy to pop open because of that. So I popped it open. And this is what was this is what I saw when I popped it open. And oops, let's turn this light on. There. Can you see? This is what was in my box when I popped it open. Okay. I'm digging around in here, and there's no packing list, and there's no shipping, there's no invoice, there's nothing. There's nothing but this. Okay? Now, I knew part of it was going to look like this. So I went online and I looked up my order. And a lot of the stuff that's on my order is not in this box. I have not contacted customer service yet. I will, because I just opened this. I can't decide how I feel about this. Okay. I knew that I had ordered what they call a tangled box, and obviously that's what this all is. So it didn't surprise me that it was in this shape too much. But okay, let's go through this stuff. This is called a tangled box, and they've got this named correctly. Here's the problem with the tangled box, in my opinion. Wow. And here's the stuff I ordered. The rest of the stuff that I actually ordered is in the bottom. I mean, it's just all chucked in there. Tangled box. The problem with the tangled box, I knew it was going to be unraveled somewhat, so that didn't surprise me. What surprises me is it's basically a pile of unusable, very low quality yarn. I mean, people complain about Red Heart, and Red Heart has this beat by a mile. I don't know what I could use any of this for. It's very, very rough, very plasticky, what I would call craft yarn. You couldn't make a wearable out of any of this. There's such small amounts of it. It looks like the tail ends of a bunch of projects. This is the only one that I thought was kind of cute. And it's sort of soft, sort of. And it wasn't cheap. It wasn't like this was, you know, a $10. This was 30 bucks. And it's just a mess. Again, I expected it to be tangled. I didn't expect it to be such yucky, low quality, unusable yarn. That's why I don't buy mystery boxes. And I always get sucked into these things, and that's what you end up with. All right, so let's see what else we have in here. I am supposed to have in here 100% cotton multicolor 4-ply. And that is this. Okay, this I'm really happy with. Look at that. This is kitchen cotton, and you guys know I use a lot of kitchen cotton. It's 360 grams. There's a lot of yarn here. And this was $10. Very, very reasonable. Doesn't smell great. Doesn't smell horrible. But this I like. This is a nice amount of yarn. And I was supposed to get a beaded yarn mystery pack. And I did. Can you see in here? It's got little beads on it. This is nice. These were $2 each. And it comes in a pack of 2. Let's see. I got 2 of those. This one's a little different color. The other 3 are all that color. Let's see if we can feel this. I want to keep it in the plastic because, you know, over here. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice big ball. It's rough, but it isn't horrible. I mean, it's nicer than that mess over there. This isn't bad. This isn't bad. I have no idea what it's made out of. And of course, you don't have any idea how much you're getting. But with 4 of them, you can do something with that. But I do love the little beads in there. The beads are real pretty. Okay, what else did we get? Galaxy hook. Got some hooks. I bought some crochet hooks and some knitting needles. Look at how cool those look. And the crochet hooks have little sparklies in them. So you can get one up close. There, you can see little sparklies in them now. And it says I got some sock yarn in here for free, which who can tell with that mess. Maybe there's some in there. I don't see anything that looks like sock yarn in here. And even if it was, you would think it would be separated out somehow. So we're gonna skip that. It says we got a free gift. Who can tell? Oh, I got some, this is what I was really interested in when I placed the order here. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. One of the things I was most excited about when I placed this order was getting these tags. I like to put little tags on my stuff, and they're hard to find. These are cute. They say handmade. One of them says, most of them just say handmade. But this was a box of, I can't find the list. Oh, here we go. It says there's a box of 15. This is my favorite one. This took forever. Right? This took forever. Don't we all know that one? Yeah. But anyway, they're all made out of wood, except for these two little bitty ones that are kind of metalish. I was excited about this. When I placed the order, this is one of the things I was most excited about. So this pack of 18, and it was a mixed pack, you didn't know what you were getting, was $8. I don't want to lose that little pack, and I can't get it to close again. Okay? And then there's another one, and these are those little leather tags like you put on a hat. And these I really like also. These were $10. Okay, can you see what that says? Handmade with love. It says handmade with lots of curse words and coffee. They say different things on there, but that was my favorite one. Because boy, isn't that the truth. And some of them say handmade with love. So these I liked a lot. But, and they're thin, but I don't know. I've never felt one before, so I don't know if they're supposed to be thin like this. I would think so if you're gonna put them on something and fold it over. Little tag. They're pretty. I like this. But they're pretty thin. But again, I don't know if that's normal or not. Somebody out there who has worked with these little leather tags, they're supposed to be super thin like that. They are, but I like them. And they're gonna work good for what I got them for. And then I ordered, they're called Christmas Hanks. These are just the cutest little things. Christmas Hank pack. Isn't that cute? Looks like a little thing of yarn. I'm gonna, I wanna just use them for Christmas tree ornaments. I just love them. Now I ordered 2 packs. I only got 1 pack. And what else is supposed to be in here? I ordered a whole bunch of stitch markers. Didn't get any of those. But what I did get, and I'm really excited about, is, you know, I've been working with the thin thread, the crochet thread, and I have a couple of projects that I want to do for Christmas. And at Christmas time, I had a hard time finding that crochet thread, the multicolored one, and that's what I wanted to use. And they had this on their site. Look how big this thing is. I'm real excited about this. Can you see it? It's there. You can see the sparkle. It's multicolored cotton. Yeah. This is Super Value, 280 grams or 10 ounces of this stuff. I want to say that big one I'm working on right now is like 1.5 ounces. 280 grams. How many yards? Oh no, it doesn't say how many yards. Cotton metallic, 1,745 yards. This is the bomb. I love the colors in that. Red, white, green, and even the red, it goes a tiny bit. There's a tinge of pinkiness in here. I don't know. I really like this. This is so pretty. I like this a lot. $11. Good deal. I got 2 of them. So I'm pretty sure I've got enough to make the project, because I started that other project. I started that Easter project and I thought I had tons, and I had to order 4 more balls. So this will be enough for a big project. And y'all, that's it. Yeah. Not happy. So that's my order from these guys. Based on this mess, I probably won't be putting in another order. I don't mind. I mean, I knew they call it a tangled box, but the yarn itself is worthless. And I expected better for that price. I truly have no idea what I would do with any of it. I don't know. I will roll it up, and likely it will go to the Goodwill. Some of the things like this, and see, I get sucked into those mystery boxes. I know better. I know better. I almost never like them. I get sucked up in the excitement. This was a very good deal. Very pleased with this. Very, very pleased. Very pleased with this. Very pleased with this. The little tags are really, really cute. But again, half of the stuff is missing. So I'll be calling customer service. I hope it works out really well. I have no idea. I've never dealt with them before, and likely I will never be ordering from them again. You never know, but we'll see how their customer service is to work with. That's it. I'm back. We'll see y'all later. Stay safe. Bye-bye.